So I was open and taking the next step with you.
All right.
Okay? So
Look how along with it. And you tell me say, you make Mercedes when I really want nothing, no man or nothing come do this before you.
Right now, a problem you put me in, you know.
what I mean?
Right now, Momo, because of you and this engagement thing, you make Momo come tell me about why me not married to her.
No woman not supposed to propose to no man, and the man supposed to propose to the woman.
Who could have so mad for really say them engage Mercedes? They know what kind of problem they want to take up on themselves.
And Mercedes propose to the man.
Oh, what kind of man not there?
The circle of the ring can change people, you know.
You know how much money me pay for this? I save you all of the trouble and me go down for my 2 knees and me dash on my pride and my dignity for this.
You mean one knee, babes?
Me just have a strong feeling, say, and things where you see me brother with, and things where you see me brother do, you they go offer.
Martin, and all you do, just give marriage a little time.
Maybe if you leave him relationship alone, him old enough to know what he want and what he want to do. This really and truly have nothing to do with you. Him have money and I ask you, I said, tell me.
I'm modern time now, you know, man.